Join me as challenge myself to make a living from something that I do as a hobby. So turn it into a money-making machine in 30 days. Making a living from something you love to do is the ultimate dream, right? It's the holy grail of career goals, and yet so many of us settle for the tedious 9 to 5 jobs that drain our energy and passion. But what if I told you that it's possible to turn your hobby into a profitable venture that brings you financial freedom and personal fulfillment? The benefits are endless. You get to do what you love and you get paid for it. It's a win-win solution that can bring a sense of purpose and excitement to your life. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about monetizing their hobbies is that they think they need to be experts in their field. You don't have to be a master of your craft to start making money from it. That's the real news. What's more important is that you have a passion for it and are willing to learn and improve as you go. Another common challenge is the fear of failure. What if I put myself out there and nobody wants what I'm offering? What if I'm not good enough? The truth is, failure is an inevitable part of the process, but it's also a valuable learning experience that can help you to refine your strategy and come back stronger. Many people also think that they need to have a lot of money to start a business or monetize their hobby, but that's just not true. You can start small and bootstrap your way to success. You can start by selling your products or services to friends and family, or by creating digital content that can reach a wider audience. And then there's the misconception that turning your hobby into a business will somehow make it less enjoyable. I'd argue that the opposite is true. When you're able to monetize your hobby, you're able to invest more time and resources into it, which can actually make it more enjoyable and fulfilling. So how do you actually go about monetizing your hobby? Well, the first step is to identify your strengths and the unique value you can offer to others. What sets you apart from others in your field? What problems do you solve for your customers? Once you have a clear idea of what you can offer, you can start thinking about the different platforms and marketing strategies you can use to reach your target audience. Do you need a website, social media, or email marketing? Do you need to create digital products, offer services, or host workshops and events? There are many different ways to monetize a hobby, and it's all about finding what works best for you and your target audience. For example, if you're a talented photographer, you should start by selling your photos on stock photo websites or offering your services to local clients. If you're a craft person, you could start on Etsy shop or sell your products at local markets. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about being creative and thinking outside the box. One of the most inspiring stories I've come across is that of a young woman who turned her passion for baking into a successful business. She started by selling her baked goods at local farmers markets, and eventually she was able to open her own bakery. Today she's making a 6-figure income and living her dream. What I love about her story is that she didn't start out with a lot of money or experience, but she was willing to take the leap and put in the hard work, and it paid off in a big way. Another example is a guy who turned his passion for fitness into a successful online business. He started by creating YouTube videos and offering personal training services to clients. And eventually he was able to create his own online courses and programs. Today he's making a 7-figure income and has a huge following of loyal fans. What's amazing about his story is that he didn't start out as a fitness expert, but he was willing to learn and put in the work to become one. There are countless stories of people who have turned their hobbies into successful businesses, and I believe that you can do the same. It's not going to be easy, but it's not going to happen overnight. But if you're willing to put in the hard work and take the leap, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? And also, in this day and age, you've got the benefits of AI. You can use AI such as ChatGPT or Gemini or Jasper or Claude. Descript is another AI product that does text to videos. So you can take the hard work out of creating content. So if you'd like to look at this possibility, check out our AI promotion website. It's alpusonlineai.com. That's alpusonlineai.com. We've got a link in the description below this video. and see how you can shortcut your time to success by using AI to help you with your journey of turning your hobby into a business. So, in conclusion, making a living from your hobby is possible and it's worth it. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt, but the benefits are well worth it. You get to do what you love and you get paid for it. It's a win-win situation that can bring a sense of purpose and excitement to your life. And you can use AI to take the hard work out of the content generation. So ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper, Claude, Descript, they're all awesome tools as well as video AI. We've got a whole host of tools on our website, alpusonlineai.com. So what's your hobby and how do you want to start monetizing it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn about how to turn your hobby into a business, be sure to check out my next video on the topic. So thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers for now.